Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have another Tuesday tag day video. This is the this or that tag. Some of my friends here on YouTube have already done this. Tiffany Dawn is the one who I first saw do it, so I will post her link down below, and then anybody else who I follow that has done it, and then I will also put some tags for some of my friends to do this tag video as well. There are a lot of questions, like it goes this entire page, and then just this entire page. Whew. That's not quite as many. I thought there was going to be 2 pages. That's my next week's tag video there. Anyway, it's just really quick, and I'll try to explain a little bit, but I don't want to go into too much detail because I don't want to be here all day, and I'm sure you don't want to be here all day. Anyway, let's go. So first ones up are makeup. So blush or bronzer. Definitely blush. I feel much more comfortable with blush. Bronzer, I feel like I look like I've smeared dirt on my face a little bit. It's something I need to practice more probably, but definitely blush if I had to choose, or even on my everyday wear I use blush. I don't use bronzer every day. Lip gloss or lipstick. I'm going to go with lipstick. I don't wear lip glosses that much. I find that they smear more, and I got one that I really liked at Christmas, and then 2 people told me, you have lipstick on your teeth, and it never happens with lipstick. It's always with lip gloss, so definitely that. Eyeliner or mascara. If you've watched, you know that I don't wear eyeliner a ton. I did a 30 and 30 with it, and it was so hard. Mascara, on the other hand, I wear every single day, so definitely mascara. Foundation or concealer. That one is hard. I feel like I'm going to say foundation because I can double up and make it work. And concealer would be really hard to cover my face and make it look more natural. So I'm going to go with foundation. Neutral or colorful eye look, or eyeshadow, sorry. In my life as a teacher, it's going to be neutral and boring, but I love color. That's probably why you see a lot of the time I have color here on screen, because I want that color full eye look, as you probably can tell. Pressed or loose eyeshadows. Definitely pressed. I have some loose eyeshadows that I don't wear like hardly ever. Pressed are just a lot easier for me to work with, even though loose can sometimes do more dramatic looks. Brushes or sponges. Definitely brushes, although I feel like we've kind of vilified sponges. I kind of want to try them again and see what my makeup looks like, because I used them for so many years. Maybe that will be an experiment we'll try. And sponges, I also love my beauty blender. I don't like foundation brushes, so that one's hard. Nails is our next category. So O.P.I or China Glaze. Definitely O.P.I. I have a lot of O.P.I nail polishes. I was going to say shadows. And I love them. They have a great formula. They last. China Glaze, the ones that I've had have not worked on my nails very well. I was not impressed at all. So definitely O.P.I. Long or short? Mine are pretty short. I used to grow out my nails a lot more, and then for a couple years I had this terrible thing where on my right hand these first 2 nails were constantly peeling, and every time I got them like growing out to where I could cut them again, they'd peel down again, and it was so frustrating. I don't know what changed and why they stopped doing that, but they're working now, so it's been short, but I mean, not terribly long, but I might let them grow a little longer. Acrylic or natural. Definitely natural. I am not one that can sit and have somebody do my nails like that. And I don't like things attached to me. So definitely natural nails. Bright or darks. It kind of depends. I like brights in the summer and the spring, but darks more in the winter and the fall. I think that's probably most people. I'd probably go with brights though over darks if I had to choose between the 2. And then flower or no flower, no flower, because I do my own nails and I'm not that talented. I need to start watching Half a little bit more, Hafina, because she is like super talented with nails, but I don't know how she does it. All right, body is our next category. Perfume or body splash? Definitely perfume. I have a massive perfume collection. I love it. I love the bottles. I like that it lasts longer. Yeah, I love perfume. Lotion or body butter? For the most part, lotion. Body butter is just a little too much for my skin. My feet love body butter and I like it for my hands, but if I had to choose, lotion, definitely. Body wash or soap? Definitely body wash. Squirt some on that body puff and go to town. And then the last one is in this category is LUSH or other bath company. I have never been to LUSH. It is on my list of things that I want to do, but I have never been there. So I would have to say Bath and Body Works because that's where I normally go and buy most of my products. Fashion, jeans or sweatpants? Jeans, I'm not one of those people that goes out in public in sweatpants. I don't feel comfortable doing that. So I'm definitely a jeans. I'm wearing jeans most of the year, except when I'm working at American Girl when I can't wear jeans, which is so hard. Long sleeve or short? Most of the, this is so hard because I'm cold. I'm always cold. So I like long sleeve because they cover more and help keep you warm. But I also have long arms and I have to roll sleeves up all the time. So short because they actually fit better, but long because I'm cold. I guess I can just put a sweater on. Dresses or skirts? Definitely dresses. I am a dress girl. I don't like skirts because I have the hardest time pairing them with other pieces. Like putting a skirt and a top together is really hard for me. And I don't know if it's just my body shape or what. So dresses, one and done, much easier. Stripes or plaid? Stripes, I love stripes. I am wearing stripes today. Black and white, blue and white. I realized at one point I had 4 blue and white or cream striped dresses, and they were all slightly different, but I just really love that striped pattern. So I had a multitude of dresses that were very similar but very different at the same time. Stripes. Flip-flops or sandals? I don't wear flip-flops. Flip-flops are not very good for your feet. As a dancer, not having that arch support is really bad. They also, it got ingrained in me in dance camp. You can't wear them outside because of bees, insects, you can get insect bites, and you have to take care of your feet. So as a dancer, something that's going to stay on my feet, that's not going to let other things in. So I haven't worn flip-flops since high school, I think. Except for in the shower. I'll wear flip-flops in a public shower because, scarves or hats? Probably scarves, but then I don't like things around my neck, so I tend to take them off, but I usually have my hair in a bun, so hats don't work very well. Studs or dangly earrings? I don't have my ears pierced, so when I wear clip-ons, I'd rather wear stud ones because they're not as painful and pulling down as much. But I do have dangles, but I don't really wear earrings ever because I don't want to get my ears pierced now. Necklaces or bracelets? Necklaces because I spend a lot of time on the computer and I find that bracelets, as I'm sitting typing, they irritate me. So necklaces. Heels or flats? I have to say flats. I love heels. I love heels so much. I have so many pairs of heels, but I can't wear them anymore because I ruptured my Achilles a few years ago, and just the strength and the stability, it's probably back and I'd be okay, but after going through that, I don't want to do anything that is going to jeopardize either one of my Achilles. So always flats. Cowboy boots or riding boots? Definitely cowboy boots. I have what are called duck feet in the dance world. So the ball of my foot is wider than my heel. So I need something with more room in the ball of the foot. And cowboy boots just don't have that much room because they're pointed. So riding boots. Jacket or hoodie. Hoodies. I love hoodies. I have so many hoodies. Most of them are band hoodies, and I wear them as much as possible. I mean, obviously I don't wear them to teach, but if I was having my druthers, I would wear hoodies. Forever 21 or Charlotte Russe. I have no clue. I have never shopped in either of those stores. So I don't know. Let me know which one you think that I would be more likely to shop in, because I have no idea. Same with this next one, Abercrombie or Hollister. I have no clue. I've never been in either of those stores. I do know that their scent is overpowering because they pump it through the vents. So that's part of the reason why I've never gone into either of them. So let me know on that one too, which one you think I would be more likely to go to. And then Saks Fifth Avenue or Nordstrom. I have more access to a Nordstrom. We don't have either of those where I live, but when I'm visiting family, there are Nordstroms, but they're not Saks Fifth Avenues where I normally am. So I would say Nordstrom because it's a little more convenient and something that I could actually make it to. I love Nordstrom's E-Bar. I always stop and get coffee whenever I find a real Nordstrom. I mean, we have a rack here, but yeah, it's not the same. Hair, curly or straight? I wish it was curly. That would be awesome, but my hair is very, very straight. Bun or ponytail? Bun. I don't like hair on my face or my neck. It's taken me a long time to not gel my hair back because I like tight, out of the way, not irritating me at all. So definitely a bun. Bobby pins or butterfly clips? Bobby pins. And then I wear these crazy things in my bun that are hairpins. They're gigantic. So I use some bobby pins. They're also gigantic bobby pins. They're actually technically curler pins. This one's a little bent out of shape, but butterfly clips don't hold my hair. There's just too much of it. Hairspray or gel? Nowadays I'm more of a hairspray girl. I used to be a huge gel person, just slick back everything, but not so much anymore. Long or short? Long, because you can pull it off your face and you don't have to deal with it, and it's a much easier to take care of. Light or dark? Somewhere in the middle. I don't really want black hair, but I'm okay not being a blonde. I wouldn't mind being a little lighter, I guess, but I guess light if I'm choosing. Side sweep bangs or full bangs? Side sweep because I could pin them up. I used to have the Clueless kind of bangs that went down the sides. That was really popular back in the day. And then up or down? Up. Especially in the winter when you have sweaters on and your hair gets staticky and catches on it and then they get everywhere. Although in the summer you don't really want that hair down because it's cooler to have it up, so just up all the time. And then random questions: rain or shine? Rain. I hate rain. I cannot stand rain, so definitely sunshine. I love the desert. I do not want to live in a rainy area. Summer or winter? Summer. I do not like the cold. I am a summer baby, so yeah, definitely summer. Fall or spring? Spring, because it feels warmer than the fall. Like, even though the temperatures are the same, going from hot to cooler just makes it feel colder, so I'd rather have the spring. And plus you have all the beautiful flowers. I love those too. Chocolate or vanilla? Vanilla. Chocolate gets overwhelming. I like it in very small doses, so vanilla of those two. And then East Coast or West Coast? That's hard because when you think of West Coast, you think of California, and I've only been to California once and I was 6, and so I don't really remember it. I have spent quite a bit of time in Oregon, which is, it's its own thing. And then East Coast, like I've been to the DC area and that's about it. But I guess I did go to Florida a couple years ago, but I only saw Disneyland or Disney World. So that's hard because I don't feel like I've been in enough places on either one. But I guess I would say East Coast just because there's more history there. And I'm a huge history buff. I almost majored in history as well as everything else. So I would say East Coast because you can visit more monuments and parks and historic places, battlefields, because that's what I do for fun when I go to places. Anyway, I would love to have other people do this tag, even if it's just answering some of the questions in the comments. I will put all of them down. Let me know what your thoughts were on this. Are you enjoying Tuesday Tag Day, the return of it? Or do you think I should do something else with these Tuesday videos? Let me know down below. I hope you are all having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.